Have you ever wondered how life makes exact copies of itself? Today, we're diving into the fascinating process of DNA replication, the reason why every cell in your body carries the same genetic code, allowing the two DNA strands to separate. Each original DNA strand now acts as a template for the formation of a complementary strand. The enzyme DNA polymerase plays a key role, ensuring nucleotides are joined correctly, creating a complete and accurate DNA copy. Replication takes place inside the cell nucleus during asterisk interphase. This is the cell's preparation stage before division. The weak hydrogen bonds between the base pairs break. In the end, DNA replication doubles the DNA content of the cell before mitosis. And that's how DNA replication works, a perfectly orchestrated process that keeps life going, generation after generation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science explained simply.